Welcome back to the Zontes maintenance channel, where scooters get treated better than most people treat their houseplants. If you're new here, pull up a chair, grab a brew, and hit that subscribe button like you're tightening a stubborn bolt. It keeps the channel alive and stops me from narrating my life to the dog. Today we're talking about something every 2026 Zontes 368G owner eventually faces: the mysterious, slightly intimidating, and occasionally dramatic world of firmware updates. Yes, the digital brain refresh your bike needs to stay sharp, smooth, and smarter than your sat-nav on a good day. Now, updating the firmware isn't some dark art. It's basically giving your scooter a software spa day. You fire up the Zontes Smart app on your phone, connect it to your bike, and let the magic happen. The app does its little dance, checks what version your bike is running, and then politely asks if you'd like to make your machine even cleverer. And of course you do, because who doesn't want their scooter running like it's had 3 espressos and a motivational speech? Once the update begins, your dashboard might flicker, reboot, or look like it's questioning its life choices. Don't panic. That's just the bike doing its internal yoga. Meanwhile, your phone is sending over the new firmware like a digital care package. This is the moment where you resist every urge to wander off, make a coffee, or check your messages. Stay close, stay connected, and let the bike finish its transformation. When it's done, the app will proudly announce success, and your Zontes will wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to hit the road with newfound confidence. It's like giving your scooter a brain upgrade without any of the messy wiring. So if you've ever wondered what actually happens during a firmware update, that's it. No drama, no wizardry, just your bike getting smarter while you stand there pretending you're a high-tech engineer. If this made you smile, helped you out, or at least stopped you from poking random buttons on your dashboard, smash that like button and subscribe for more Zontes maintenance mischief. This channel is all about keeping your scooter or motorbike running sweet, keeping you in the loop, and keeping the banter flowing. Ride safe, wrench smart, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm coming for the throne.